Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to earn money through social media. So watch this video till the end. With over 3.96 billion active social media users worldwide, social media platforms have become an important source of income for many individuals and businesses. So, if you want to earn some extra cash or even start a career in social media, this video is for you. Step number 1. Choose the right platform. The first step towards earning money through social media is to choose the right platform. Some of the most popular social media platforms that you can use to make money are Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your skills and interests. Step number 2. Build your audience. Once you've chosen the right platform, the next step is to build your audience. This is where you'll need to focus on creating high-quality content that appeals to your target audience. For instance, if you want to build an audience on Instagram, you'll need to create visually appealing posts and use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. Similarly, if you want to build an audience on YouTube, you'll need to create engaging videos that provide value to your viewer. Step number 3. Engage with your followers. Engaging with your followers is a crucial step towards building a loyal audience. This involves responding to comments, direct messages, and engaging with your followers on a regular basis. This will help you to build a relationship with your followers and establish trust, which will ultimately help you to monetize your social media presence. Step number 4. Monetize your social media presence. Now, let's talk about how you can actually earn money through your social media presence. There are several ways to monetize your social media presence, including sponsored posts. This is where you partner with brands and get paid to post about their products or services on your social media accounts. Affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. Ad revenue. This is where you allow advertisements to be displayed on your social media accounts and earn money based on the number of clicks or impressions that those ads receive. Selling products and services. If you have your own products or services, you can use your social media presence to promote them and generate sales. Step number 5. Stay consistent. Finally, it's important to stay consistent with your social media presence. This means posting regularly, engaging with your followers, and consistently providing value to your audience. By doing this, you'll be able to build a strong and loyal audience that will help you to earn money through social media. So there you have it, folks. These are some of the ways that you can earn money through social media. Remember, building a successful social media presence takes time and effort, but if you stay consistent and provide value to your audience, you can turn your social media presence into a lucrative source of income. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.